Human eye is a specialized organ which has ability to receive visual images. If we talk about the horizontal cross section of human eye, then we come across that human eye is composed of three layers of tissues. The outermost layer is fibrous layer that consists of sclera and cornea. Sclera is the white part of the eye that helps in maintaining the shape of the eye. Cornea is convex shaped and helps in refraction of light rays which are entering into the eyes. The middle layer of human eye is vascular in nature due to the presence of blood vessels. Middle layer contains choroid, ciliary bodies and iris. When light enters the eye, it stimulates the sensory receptors of retina and then absorbed into the choroid. Ciliary bodies contain ciliary muscles and anteriorly continues with choroid. Lens is also attached with ciliary bodies with the help of suspensory ligament. Middle layer contains iris, which is the visible part of the eye. Iris have different colors in different people. Iris is present behind the cornea and in front of the lens. Iris divides the anterior segment of the eye into anterior and posterior chamber. Iris is circular in shape and have pigments. These pigments impart color to iris. There is an aperture present in the center of iris called as pupil. Light rays are entered into the eye through pupil. The color of iris is dependent on a pigment present in it. There is no pigment in the eyes of albinos. The people with blue eyes have very less amount of pigments in it. Lens is very important part of the eye. Thickness of the lens is controlled by ciliary muscles of the eye. The inner layer is made up of nervous tissue consisting of retina. Retina is the most delicate structure of the eye. Light sensitive retina contains some cells called as rod and cone cells. Some pigments of rod and cone cells convert light rays into the nerve impulse. The nerve impulse is then sent to the brain. If we discuss about the blood supply of our eye, oxygenated blood is supplied through ciliary arteries and central retinal arteries. Deoxygenated blood of eye is drained through the veins which include central retinal veins. Light enters into the eye through cornea, which is present in front of the iris and pupil. Cornea acts as a protective covering of the eye. After passing through cornea, light is passed through pupil. Pupil is present in the middle of the eye. Iris surrounding the pupil controls the amount of light entering into the eye. When the environment is darker, iris allows more light for entrance. When the environment of surrounding is lighter, iris allows less light for entrance. Posterior to the iris, lens is present. By changing its shape, lens focuses light rays into the retina. Through the action of ciliary muscles, lens changes its shape. To focus near objects, lens become thicker, and to focus far objects, lens become thinner. After passing through the lens, light rays focuses into the retina. The most sensitive part of retina is macula that contain millions of cone cells in it. Due to the high density of cone cells in macula, we are able to see detailed visual images. The photoreceptors present in retina converts images into electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain through the optic nerve. The function of cone cells is identification of colors and visualization of objects. Rod cells are responsible for night vision and peripheral vision. Rod cells are more in number than cone cells and more sensitive to the light. So hope so you have learned something new from this video.